Yolanda Durant with the Richey team. Welcome to Windrose Tower. Come take a tour with me of Unit 603. Located within Windrose Tower at Legacy West, this luxury corner residence offers sophisticated design, elevated amenities, and one of the most desirable locations in North Texas. The seamless flow between the living, dining, and kitchen spaces creates an inviting atmosphere. The chef's kitchen serves as a centerpiece of the home, featuring a substantial island with seating, a built-in refrigerator, gas cooktop, walk-in pantry, and a generous workspace for gathering with family and friends. The primary suite offers a peaceful retreat, complete with a spa-inspired bathroom featuring a soaking tub, glass enclosed shower, dual vanities, and a spacious walk-in closet. A separate secondary suite provides comfort and privacy for guests while maintaining the home's thoughtful layout. Just outside your front door, Legacy West offers an unmatched collection of dining, shopping, entertainment, and nightlife destinations. This location has become one of the most sought-after urban destinations in North Texas. Life at the Windrose Tower extends far beyond the residence itself. Residents enjoy an impressive collection of luxury amenities, including a resort-style pool, outdoor grilling areas, owner's lounge, boardroom, golf simulator, putting green, fitness center, yoga studio, and valet services. Combining luxury amenities and an exceptional location, this residence offers high-rise living at its finest. For more information, reach out to me today. I'm Yolanda Durant with the Richey team, and I'll see you on my next home tour.